Now this is part 2 of my air fryer series where I am trying out all the functions in an air fryer. Air fryers these days have become multi-purpose cooking devices and can be used for baking, grilling, roasting, toasting, defrosting, dehydrating, reheating and so much more. In the last part of this series, I tried out the cooking, roasting and grilling features of an air fryer. If you would like to see that video, I have linked it over here. Today, let's try baking, reheating as well as frying in an air fryer. I've been using a Philips air fryer for a while, but this video is kindly sponsored by Philips. But as always, experiments and opinions are my own. Let's start with baking in an air fryer. Baking cupcakes in an air fryer is super easy and it takes lesser time than a convection microwave oven for sure. Just take some cupcake mix or you can make your own, pour it into the cupcake liners and set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. We can also use the baking preset that is already available in the air fryer. While many people bake in a microwave oven, a common complaint I've got is that the food is undercooked on the inside. With the rapid air plus technology and the 360-degree air circulation in this Philips air fryer, hot air is circulated across the air fryers and our cupcakes are ready in no time, evenly cooked both on the inside as well as the outside. Super easy. Have you tried baking in the air fryer? How was your experience? Drop me a comment. Next, let's talk about reheating in an air fryer. I've received many questions about this. Let's try out two things. One is reheating samosas and two, reheating some leftover rice. It is not recommended to reheat liquids in an air fryer as it can damage the fans and the motor. In an air fryer, we can reheat solid foods with extreme ease. Of course, it takes longer than it would in a microwave oven, but the crunchiness of fried food, especially after reheating, is much better than in a microwave oven. A microwave oven does make the food soggy. Just set the temperature to around 180 degrees Celsius and heat it for 5 minutes. As you can see, these samosas are super crisp as if they were just made. I've even tried this with pizzas and french fries as well. This Philips air fryer has a rapid air plus technology with a starfish design at the base, which whirls hot air across the air fryer, making the food super crunchy. We can also reheat leftover food that we would have kept in the fridge. I reheat rice in this all the time. Just set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and heat it for 3 to 5 minutes, based on how hot you need the food. Let me know in the comments what you think of this approach of reheating in the air fryer. Now let's talk about frying, which is what most people try to make in an air fryer. Let's try to make chips in an air fryer. I'm taking a variety of vegetables like potatoes, carrots, beetroots for this exercise. Let's slice it really thin and dry the vegetables and season as per our liking. Line up the chips with minimum overlap. This takes only 15 minutes to make. We need to set the temperature to about 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The rapid air plus technology ensures that we don't need to flip or mix the chips during the air frying process. While flipping is not absolutely required, flipping these chips will give you a better crispiness of the chips. This air fryer is 6.2 liters and can cook a lot of food simultaneously. For reference, an equivalent of 800 grams of french fries or a 1.2 kg chicken. With 7 preset menus, we can easily perform 13 cooking functions like frying, defrosting, roasting, grilling, dehydrating, baking, amongst others with extreme ease. Philips air fryers have the best build quality amongst air fryers that I have tried. With a 2-year warranty and access to 500 plus recipes on the Home ID app, Philips makes it super easy to make the transition to healthier and easier cooking using their air fryers. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 100,000 plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.